Y'all, this weather is wonderful. I mean, if you're not outside today, you're crazy. I'm just saying. Yesterday was amazing. Today's amazing. Let's do this. These mums out here are getting huge. You want to water like underneath here because you don't want to break them. Sometimes you break them, but you don't want to cause a hole in the top. So you want to try to get underneath there to water. Look at these colors trying to pop out already, y'all. Yes, I'm watering. I'm not going to the bathroom. But look at this. Gorgeous, gorgeous morning. Look at our beautiful mums. They are growing so good.